welcome to Kitchen 27. Today I will use the gravy, make the delicious food. I will use air fryer, so I'm not use any pan to fry this gravy. I will season this, then put the air fryer. This will amazing. Okay, let me first show you how to marinate this gravy. I will use the garlic. Okay, let's use the garlic paste. Mash this garlic in the gravy. Okay. And the oil. Black pepper powder. Paprika. Salt. Okay, mix it together. This is all-purpose flour. This will make the gravy outside crispy. So I add 2 tablespoons flour. Okay, mix it. Okay, let's put in the air fryer. So I will put 400 Fahrenheit. 15 minutes. In the middle of time, take out the basket, flip the gravy to another side. Okay? Look at the beautiful color. Time to taste my gravy. I use air fryer. It takes a little bit time, but it's amazing. Let me try this one. Very strong garlic flavor. If you like more crunchy, take a little bit time. I use 15 minutes. This is 1 pound. If you like crunchy one, it's less time, around 10 minutes. Perfect. This you can match with the meat. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.